What is your expectation from this video? Hearing that traditional introduction? Hi guys, welcome to my course. My course is the best. I am the best teacher ever. Blah, blah, blah. Let's reverse the traditional introduction. What is special about this course? Nothing.
What?
Nothing I can say except three letters. O-S-T. O, organized. S, simple. T, to the point. Also, I can add D-A, different accent. Organized in a logical way to be appropriate for you as a beginner. At the end of each lesson, you will find out that you got a new part of the puzzle and the final image getting more clearly as simple. Simplicity is the icon of this course. Simple's short lessons I have explained using a new way that you will make you focus and never get bored.
I am the king here. Let's try this.
Simple accent. I have used my simple accent in English to be appropriate for the wide, not just the native speakers. To the point. No more zigzag. The straight is better. It means no more talk. You will learn in actions. I forgot. E. Exclusive project for this course. We're going to build it together. Any other letters? B. Bonus lesson. I'm gonna teach you how to get an affordable price VPS server and how to publish your React project on this server to be online. Let's see, we still going reverse in this introduction. Why are you going to learn reactjs? Easy, flexible, and the most important thing is React has a huge job market and these jobs are high paying. What do you need before starting this course? Just basic experience in HTML, JavaScript, and CSS to build a simple web page. Your laptop or tablet has any operating system such as Windows, Mac, or Linux. Cup of coffee or tea, and water. Now, the most important question. Who I am? Human? Alien? AI? ADHD? Or Moya? My name is Rami Ibrahim. Check my official website www.rami.pro. If you are an Arabic speaker, صباح الفل.
What?
Check my education website gtmix.org and subscribe to my YouTube channel gtopmix. Now, I think we are arrived. Welcome to my course. Simply learn reactjs.